Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this blue volcano. Alright, the question of the day is, how hot are the Yellowstone hot springs? Alright, today we're going to paint blue lava.
Catch me in my feelings so when I'm feeling down, feeling low, you come down and bring me home. You know that I am hard sometimes, and I know it, babe. I try to change, but even when we fight, then the night we get closer, yeah. I wake up the day after and I feel like, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive.
So the question is the temperature of the Yellowstone's hot springs, and that temperature on average is 143 degrees. Now, interesting enough, sometimes people cross over the barriers and try to approach the hot springs. People obviously warn them off because it's really super dangerous. A really interesting case was in 2016. A brother and sister hopped the fence to go check out the hot springs, which is called hot spotting. And they got close to the crater and they didn't realize they were on kind of a shelf. And the shelf broke, the brother fell in, and it was so hot and it had so much sulfide, basically the chemical reaction dissolved the complete body. So the brother was never seen again because they wanted to pull this stunt. So if you're ever in Yellowstone, don't jump the fence and approach the hot springs. And that's my question of the day. All right, we just finished the paint. Let's take a closer look. So this one has this really nice smoke that's coming off of the Volcano River as it's going down the mountainside, obviously boiling the rocks and hitting those rocks, making that really nice edginess contrast. I think overall color-wise it's really correct. I got the composition, I kind of matched more or less the painting, which is kind of that 2/3 going down the mountain. I really like the feel of this particular volcano. I never shot or never painted a blue volcano. I just saw it today, so I was like, man, I gotta paint this. This is so cool. I was gonna paint a regular volcano, and I was like, man, blue volcanoes, like, I thought for sure it was Photoshop. It's not Photoshop, which is bizarre enough, but I guess it's the sulfide content. So once that gets hot, it kind of changes the composition of how that flames when it hits the air and oxidizes. So that's kind of why it's coming out blue. There's actually orange in it, but I kind of took that out. It would have been really nice with the orange, but I just like that blue and the volcanic rock by itself. So I kind of simplified a little bit there. I mean, the orange would have made it really pop, but I don't think it's per se necessary. It just kind of looks cool. You don't really know if it's a river or a volcano, so that's kind of a little hit or miss. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see the full version, check my Patreon account. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video, guys. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes, and I know